Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever wanted to create a successful YouTube channel without spending countless hours editing videos, this is the video for you. So, what exactly is YouTube automation? In simple terms, it's the use of tools and strategies to streamline your content creation process and manage your channel more efficiently. Think of it as setting up a system that works for you, so you can focus on what really matters, creating great content. Here are some key benefits of implementing automation on your channel. Firstly, save time. Automation can dramatically reduce the time you spend on repetitive tasks like video editing and uploading. Secondly, consistent uploads. With content scheduled in advance, you can keep a consistent upload schedule, which is crucial for audience growth. And lastly, improved analytics. Automation tools can help you analyze your performance metrics, allowing you to adjust your strategy effectively. Now let's talk about some popular tools you can use to automate various aspects of your YouTube channel. First up, TubeBuddy. This incredible browser extension helps with SEO optimization, bulk processing, and more. Next, vidIQ, a powerful tool for analyzing your competitors, discovering keywords, and optimizing your video performance. Then, Hootsuite or Buffer. These social media management tools can schedule your video promotions across platforms in advance. And don't forget Canva. Utilize Canva for creating eye-catching thumbnails quickly. To make the most out of YouTube automation, here are some quick tips. Create a content calendar. Map out your video ideas and upload schedule. This will help you stay organized. Batch create content. Set aside time to create several videos at once. This way, you can edit and schedule them more easily. Engage with your audience. Even with automation, personal interaction is key. Take time to reply to comments and show appreciation to your community. Before we wrap up, let's address some common misconceptions about YouTube automation. Firstly, automation means no work. Not at all. It's about working smarter, not harder. Creating quality content still requires effort. Secondly, it's only for bigger channels. Automation can benefit channels of any size. Start early and build your efficiency. That wraps up our guide to YouTube automation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what automation tools you're excited to try out. Until next time, keep creating and stay motivated. Thanks for watching.